Hey everybody, welcome back to Focus Camera. It's Johnny, and today we will be going over one of the most fun and easy to use instant cameras, Fujifilm's Instax Mini 12. The first thing I want to talk about is how it looks. I think it is a very cute camera. It has a bubbly look to it with rounded edges. Even the little grips that you have are all rounded, very sleek and smooth. It's available in some adorable colors. This right here is mint green. We also have it in lilac purple, pastel blue, blossom pink, and clay white. It's a very lightweight camera, weighing in at 306 grams. That's without the film cartridge in the back, without the batteries, and without the strap. But even with the film in and the batteries, etc., it is still a very lightweight camera. It's compact, as you can see, and you could bring it with you to any type of event, picnics or a family event, or even a party with your friends. Also, when you turn the camera from the off to on position, you will see a little light here, and it will light up and indicate that the camera is on. It also helps you know if you have batteries in the camera. So we're gonna leave it in the off position so I don't accidentally take a picture. But I'll show you here how we power this thing up. Power it up on the side here. Here's the battery compartment. You have these three little notches here to help you get a grip. You just push down on it. It opens up the battery compartment. Now you have two AA batteries. This is how the camera's powered. You got your little indications here on which way to put them. I will recommend you get yourself the more expensive alkaline batteries. A way to know whether you're out of batteries on is there is a little light right here. And right now I'm in the on position, there's no batteries in, there's no light. So get yourself some good batteries, put them in here. If you use lithium batteries, it's even better, but you know, they can be expensive, so I get it. Batteries are loaded up. You see the indicator light is now active. You got power. To get it back on, just put it in here, slide up, clicks into place, good to go. If you leave the camera on and you leave it idle for 5 minutes, it will shut off automatically to save battery. So this is great. If you're gonna go bring it to an event or a party, just put a fresh pair of AA batteries and you'll be good all night. If you know that you just put it in, like I said, you got 100 shots, so that's 10 packs of film. If you don't think you're gonna be going through that much, or you don't wanna go through that much, you know, you bring like 2 or 3 packs of film, which is what I do, and I just kind of leave them around the party and leave the camera around. Of course, it's with people that I trust, and they just grab the camera. I get different perspectives throughout the night, and everybody gets to take pictures with it, and they get to share memories together. And because they are tangible, you just give them to the person and they get to take it home with them, put it on their fridge or whatever they want to do with it. They're just a ton of fun. So I'm going to just talk a little bit about how to load the film here and what some of these indications mean. If you flip this over here, you have the back of the camera. We have this little lever. So this little lever, you don't ever want it to open unless you're changing the film. Once your film is loaded in here, if this opens, you will overexpose your film and ruin it. If you open it a little bit like that, and you go, oh, oops, and you close it up, your film may be okay. However, this here is a film counter. Normally it'll be on like 10, 9, 8, 7, however many shots you have left in here, it will indicate. So say I have 2 shots left and I pop this open accidentally and then I close it quick. My film may still be okay, but the film counter will go back up to 10. So you'll lose track of how many shots you actually have left. So that's something to keep in mind. So we're gonna open this up. This is the old film. There's nothing in here. We're gonna take that out. We have a new film cartridge right here. So there's 2 sides. You have this side here, and then you have this side with the yellow little tab. This is the side you want to face up. So the film is gonna go in like this. Now you'll know there's from a little indication of this yellow tab right here. So you line up the yellow tab with the yellow tab, and you put it in. Now, you're okay to close this. The next thing you're gonna notice is the film counter shows an S. This S is an indication of 3 things. 1, the film was loaded incorrectly. 2, there's no film. 3, you loaded it correctly, but there's still a dark slide. So this right here is a dark slide. And what this is, it protects your film from being overexposed. So it is still in there right now. We have to remove this. To remove it, you just turn the camera on, turn the dial, and you're gonna take a shot. It's gonna remove the dark slide. So now that our dark slide has been removed, you're ready to go, and you have 10 photos. And if you take a shot, it'll go down to 9 photos, and 8 photos, and etc. until you get finished with your roll. I want to talk about some of the features that the Instant Mini 12 has, which makes this stand out. One of them is the automatic flash and exposure mode. Actually, it's not a mode, it's just has automatic flash and exposure. The ISO is set at 800, but all the other exposure settings are automatic, which also makes it great for children because all they have to do is click the button and the exposure will be right. You just have to keep in mind your distance. So when it comes to distance, the flash range is from 11.8 inches to about 7.2 feet. When in close-up mode, and you're looking through the viewfinder, you turn it from normal to close-up mode, you will see the viewfinder shift and adjust. What that is doing is a parallax correction. So it's going to center or help you center the subject in frame. So say I have it on close-up mode and I'm doing a selfie and I'm a little bit off, it will center me. Just keep in mind your framing, and you can tell your framing when you look into this mirror right here. Anything within the mirror is in your shot. You're not gonna see a big difference here, but there is an adjustment. So it's good for taking pictures of your pets, taking pictures of maybe your plants, or selfies. That's where I would recommend using the close-up. You just play around with it and you'll get your own idea of when to use close-up mode and keep it just in the regular on position. So who's this camera for? You might think, okay, it's mostly for children because it's made for safety with all the rounded edges and such, and the cutesy bubbly look to it and all the pastel colors. However, I think if you get the clay white, it can be available for anybody. Say you're a parent and you're at home and you have a kid around. You want to take pictures of your kid. Now you have physical copies of photos of your kid and put it into a scrapbook, put it into a family photo album, and you have all those memories for you. Another great way to use this camera, let's say you're in high school and you hang up those pictures in your locker, and every time you go to get your books out, you see your best friend. It makes you smile. I've also seen these cameras being used by photographers and models. I think this is a great way to use the camera. If you're a photographer or model, you bring it to your shoot, you take pictures of the shoot of either the model, or if it's a product photography shoot, you do it of behind the scenes and stuff like that. And what you can do is then take the print that you get and you sign the bottom and you give them to fans. You send them out to fans. And I've seen models do that a lot. They'll do giveaways, they get a picture of themselves, they write a little message on the bottom, and they send it to their fans as appreciation or as a contest. And it's another great way to use these little fun instant cameras. You can get yourself an Instax Mini 12 from FocusCamera.com for $79.99. You could also get multiple different types of film. This is the white border film for a 2-pack. It is $30. For a 1-pack, they're around $15, I believe. And you can get also films with different types of borders on them. These I think run around $17.99. They have these with all different types of borders around the edges, so you can explore that and get the one that fits what you're looking for the best. So for the camera and a pack of film, it could run you $79.99 and $17.99. You know, that's $97 for the film, a pack of film and the camera, when you could get a holiday bundle here for $99.99. So it's not much more, and it comes with a 10-pack of white border film. It also comes with a faux fur pouch, the Instax Mini 12, and a photo album. It also comes with these stickers that you place over the white border and gives you a kind of rainbow pattern of the pastel colors, so it matches the camera, and it's fun for children to stick it on. It's just an extra accessory. It also has an idea book in here to give you some inspiration of things you can do with your Instax Mini 12, and you know, for not that much more than the regular camera with a pack of film, you can get the holiday bundle for $99.99. Thanks for watching, everyone, and if you've enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see other product reviews, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments what type of videos you would like to see, and I will do my best to get them to you. Thank you very much, and keep capturing those memories.